little carpentry work today. I had rotted wood, cut down some 1x8s to 1x5.5s. Go ahead and kick it on. Getting ready to nail up, pulled off the old fascia board that was all rotted. This whole corner up here was pretty bad shape too. So we ripped it all out and pieced in a new piece of plywood. So we're gonna nail this thing in, and then we'll drop the. Been doing a lot of exterior work lately. Got the roof replaced, and got some siding work we're gonna try to do if the weather stays nice. It's November 18th, 19th, something like that, and it's like 60 degrees today, 55 degrees. I'm wearing short sleeves, sweating earlier with a hoodie on. So today, get this thing all put together. Gutter's coming. I've got to stain the boards because the outside boards, I don't want to put them up there unfinished. I am using treated lumber. Got this. Got some. These is what we started with. This one cut down because I actually did a couple of spots over here. I can show you too on the house. You can see right there on the corner. That one was in pretty bad shape as well. Had a bird's nest up inside of it. So came back in, replaced the fascia board, redid the Sofit with solid plywood, and then this corner piece here as well. Kept everything else the same. And you can see there's new drip edge, new and so Coleman's coming this week. I got to stain all of this black. This is so if you don't know, this is fascia board on the outside. The underneath, this is hard to do backwards. The underneath piece is Sofit, and then this board down here on the bottom right there, that's called your freeze board. And then there's also a piece, vinyl siding homes, it's like J channel, but on wood-sided homes, it's just like a furring strip. Beautiful view. Beautiful day to be out here working, man. It's been fun. Leaves are falling. Saw a huge buck run through the yard yesterday morning. It's gun season right now, so try to get out this week. But the honeydew list comes first.